Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Teacher Cedric. Now, I visited Nanyang Girls Open Day yesterday, and I just want to share some information I have collected from the Open Day in case some of our students and parents might have missed them. So let's get started. Well, over here are some of the photos that I've taken. Over here, we did attend the principal's school tour, which they share a lot of useful information. So stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Teacher Cedric. Now, I visited Nanyang Girls High School Open Day yesterday, and I just want to share some information that we have collected from the Open Day in case some of our parents and students might have missed them. So let's get started. Over here are some of the photos that we have taken yesterday. For example, principal school talk, we did attend it, and there's so many useful information that you'll find later on in this video. And I also had my lunch over there at the canteen. It was so clean, and then the food was quite nice as well. And I also ran into one of our students at Kangaroo Study, and he actually gave us a quick school tour over there. And then we also attended the DSA talk, which was packed with students and parents, and I have to hold up my camera like that just to get all the information. And then I get to see all the trophies and artworks by Nanyang Girls students, which was really impressive. So what are some useful information that we have collected? Let us start with the first one. Well, how many teachers and students are there in Nanyang Girls High School? Well, I couldn't find this information online, so let me show this to you. There are a total of 131 teaching staff and 45 non-teaching staff, with a total, at this moment, 1,592 students. So if you do a quick calculation, you'll get a teacher-to-student ratio of 1 to 12. So that's that's the information we get from the school talk. And there's something more. How does Nanyang Girls High School education journey like? So basically, in years 1 to 4, right, the boys are going to be in Hwa Chong Institution High School, and then the girls will be in Nanyang Girls High School. And then in years 5 to 6, then they will combine, they will both go to Hwa Chong Institution, because we know this is an IP program. And the next thing that we found is that Hwa Chongs, the eventual JC that our Nanyang girls would enter, actually have a very high Oxford and Cambridge acceptance rate. Now, I have heard about this, but I've never seen the exact numbers. But over here, let me show it to you. Well, so this is from Straight News. So Hwa Chong Institution in 2022, there were 29 offers from Oxford and 34 offers from Cambridge. And focusing on Oxford, this is the success rate, 39%, which is really impressive. And this makes Hwa Chong Institution the second highest success rate globally, which only come after this school from London. Again, this is really impressive. And then the next question is, what are some available DSA domains? Well, you could also find this online, but let me also share this to you. Over here are some of the available DSA domains. So do pause this video to check whether any of these are your students' interest, are your kids' interest. And the next question is there any other way to enter Nanyang Girls High School besides PSLE and DSA? Well, there actually is. This is the entrance exam, which only admit secondary 3 students. So in secondary 3, you can take this entrance exam to try to get into Nanyang Girls High School, but this only applicable to the first 2 categories, and it's not applicable for the 3rd category. So we keep that in mind. And then the next question is, what are some successful DSA students' commitments at Nanyang Girls High School? Well, for non-academic domains, like especially sports and arts, we have artistic, badminton, tennis, and so on and so forth. They will have to commit the respective CCA for all 4 years at the school. So, for example, let's say you have basketball DSA into Nanyang Girls High School. Well, of course, I'm not a girl. Imagine that if I were a girl, basketball DSA into Nanyang Girls High School, then I will have to do basketball CCA for 4 years, and I have to commit to it. But for academic domains, there's also some kind of commitments, which some of the students might not aware of. For example, if I DSA bilingualism into Nanyang Girls High School, then I will have to participate in the CLEP program. Well, for math and service leadership, there are also some programs that you have to commit yourself into. So this is the DSA students' commitments that you will have to first discuss with your kid before they apply. And then here are some of the frequently asked questions from the DSA talk. Remember the one that was packed with students and parents? So the first question is about Hwa Chong Institution for year 5 and 6. And then the second question is whether they can change their CCA. And the third question is about swimming. So you can pause this video now to check out all these questions. I won't read them out one by one, line by line. Okay? And then the next question is, what are some special programs at Nanyang Girls High School? So over here, let me show a few. For example, the CLEP, we have already discussed this. And again, you can see this is mandatory for bilingualism DSA. And then for bilingualism DSA, it's also recommended, right, if you do like, you can also take this BSP, which is a bicultural studies program that help students develop a confident individual with a sophisticated bicultural perspective. And you can learn all this information much more on the official website. And over here are some of the other programs that Nanyang Girls High School are offering. First of all, we have art elective, higher music program, and one more humanities program, which allow you to take more advanced subjects in the 4 years. Okay? And what are some CCAs available at Nanyang Girls High School? For sports, these are the CCA and uniform groups and performing arts. So over here are all the CCAs available at Nanyang Girls High School. So that's it for now. And if you want to learn more about PSLE preparation and on DSA in particular and secondary school selection, make sure you join our PSLE study group to get all the latest information. Now next up, we'll visit ACIS, which I'll also try to gather some useful information and share with our students and parents. And that's it for today. I'm Teacher Cedric, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.